Spanning over 9 million square kilometers, the Sahara Desert is a colossal expanse of arid land, known as the largest hot desert in the world. Situated in North Africa, it stretches across 11 countries and holds some of the most extreme landscapes and temperatures our planet has to offer. But the Sahara's influence extends far beyond its borders, affecting weather patterns, air quality, and ecosystems thousands of kilometers away. I'm your guide on this geographical quest. Get ready to be amazed because this is Geography Genius. One of the most fascinating phenomena associated with this desert is the transport of Saharan dust across vast distances. Every year, millions of tons of sand and dust are lifted from the Sahara by powerful winds and carried across continents and oceans. Among the destinations of this desert dust is Europe, where it can create stunning orange skies, contribute to red rain, and impact air quality and the environment in ways that might surprise you. In this video, we'll explore how this incredible journey of Saharan dust unfolds, the science behind its transport, and the profound effects it has on the places it reaches. Join us as we uncover the hidden connections between the Sahara Desert and Europe, revealing the intricate ways our world is interconnected. To understand how millions of tons of Saharan dust embark on their long journey to Europe and beyond, we first need to explore the forces at play right here in the heart of the Sahara. The desert is not just a static landscape of endless sand. It's a dynamic environment shaped by powerful winds and atmospheric conditions. The story begins with the wind. The Sahara experiences strong and persistent wind patterns, such as the Harmattan, a dry and dusty trade wind that blows from the northeast. These winds are capable of lifting vast amounts of sand and finer dust particles high into the atmosphere, creating plumes that can stretch for thousands of kilometers. Once airborne, the dust is carried by the upper-level winds of the atmosphere. These winds act like conveyor belts, transporting the Saharan dust across the Mediterranean Sea and into Europe. The journey can take several days, during which the dust can affect weather patterns, cloud formation, and even the quality of the air we breathe. But what makes the Sahara such a prolific source of dust? It comes down to its climate and geography. The Sahara's arid conditions, with scarce vegetation and loose, dry soil, make it an ideal source for dust. Seasonal variations and changes in atmospheric pressure can also enhance the dust lifting process, leading to significant events where huge quantities of dust are transported. Climate change plays a role too, potentially increasing the frequency and intensity of dust storms. As the planet warms, the Sahara and its border regions may experience more extreme temperature fluctuations, altering wind patterns, and potentially leading to more dust being sent into the atmosphere. The journey of Saharan dust is a remarkable example of our planet's interconnected systems. But once this dust reaches Europe, what happens then? Stay tuned as we explore the impacts of Saharan dust on the environment, weather, and health in Europe and beyond. As the Saharan dust crosses the Mediterranean and descends upon Europe, it ushers in a series of remarkable phenomena and impacts. From the picturesque to the practical, the arrival of this desert visitor is met with a mix of awe and concern. One of the most visually striking effects is the transformation of the sky. The fine particles scatter sunlight, creating stunning orange skies that captivate onlookers. In some instances, when rain mixes with the dust, it falls as red rain, coating surfaces in a thin layer of desert silt. But the impact of Saharan dust extends beyond the visual. For many, it's a health concern. The fine dust particles can deteriorate air quality, posing risks to individuals with respiratory conditions, allergies, or asthma. As the dust blankets cities, it can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enter the bloodstream. Authorities often issue health advisories during significant dust events, advising vulnerable populations to take precautions. But it's not just human health that's affected. The influx of nutrient-rich dust can also influence local ecosystems. When it settles on land, it can fertilize soils, boosting plant growth. In marine environments, it provides essential nutrients to oceanic food webs. The effects of Saharan dust don't stop there. Its presence in the atmosphere can influence weather and climate patterns. By absorbing and reflecting sunlight, the dust can alter temperatures and potentially impact the formation of clouds and precipitation. Scientists are actively studying these interactions to understand the broader implications for climate systems. Despite these challenges, the phenomenon also showcases the intricate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The dust's nutrients contribute to the health of forests and marine life, highlighting a complex interdependence that spans continents. The journey of Saharan dust to Europe is a testament to the dynamic and interconnected nature of Earth's environmental systems. As we continue to explore these connections, we gain valuable insights into the global impact of natural phenomena. Coming up next, we'll look at how Saharan dust is monitored and what future research might reveal about its role in our changing world. As we stand on the brink of a warming world, the question looms large. How will climate change affect Saharan dust transport? And what does this mean for ecosystems, health, and climate patterns across the globe? Climate change is expected to intensify desertification and potentially increase the frequency and intensity of dust storms. This could lead to more dust being transported to Europe and other parts of the world, with wider-reaching impacts than ever before. In the face of these challenges, the global scientific community is ramping up efforts to understand and mitigate the effects of Saharan dust. Through international collaborations, researchers are pooling data, sharing insights, and developing strategies to adapt to the changing dynamics of dust transport. Future research will focus not just on tracking and modeling dust plumes, but also on understanding their complex interactions with climate change, human health, and ecosystems. By unraveling these connections, scientists hope to predict and prepare for the impacts of dust under different climate scenarios. Addressing the challenges posed by Saharan dust transcends borders and disciplines. It requires a concerted effort from nations around the world, united by the common goal of safeguarding our planet's health and our own. Policies that combat climate change, protect vulnerable populations, and preserve ecosystems are crucial in this endeavor. As we continue to witness the awe-inspiring journey of Saharan dust from the deserts of Africa to the shores of Europe and beyond, let's also commit to understanding and addressing its broader implications. Together, through research, innovation, and action, we can navigate the challenges ahead, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of Saharan dust and its journey across our interconnected world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the wonders and challenges of our planet.